Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our February new products video. Our first new product are these Headlight stem knobs. These are from Carpenter Industries. They're just like the OEM. These are for the mid-70s Ford trucks and Broncos. First one I have here is a black one with a black center. This fits the 73 Ford pickup. That's what it came from the factory. The later one I have here is a 75 to 79 pickup, and it also fits the 78-9 Bronco. It's an all chrome one, exact reproduction of original, made here in the United States. Comes with a mounting stem. Pull your old one out, press this one in, and you're ready to go. Brand new from Carpenter Industries. And our next new product are these speed control switches. These are for the 87 to 91 Ford F-Series and Ford Bronco. Go in the steering wheel. If your truck came with cruise control, this is it. These are surplus Ford. These are what came on from the factory. Brand new from Carpenter Industries. Have all the wiring, everything you need. 4 screws hold them in place and the wires plug in. Brand new surplus Ford parts available here at the Bronco Graveyard. Our next new product is this replacement pigtail. This has got 1 female and 1 male end on it. This will fit all your side marker lights up to 86 on the Ford truck and Bronco. This will also fit the park lights in the front of the early Bronco from 66 to 77, and it'll also do the rear tail light for you. So if you got a bad one of these or the wires broke, this is the way to go. A couple connectors, splice it in, simple, easy fix. And our next new product are these beautiful stainless steel headers. These are from Scott Drake Industries. These fit the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco, 289, 302, 351 Windsor. Beautiful stainless steel construction, 16 gauge tube, 1.5 inch primaries. The collectors are 2.5, 3/8 header flange right here, laser cut, fully welded. What's nice about these, they have the ball socket instead of the old collectors, no leaks. What also, another feature of these are, they have the bung hole in each collector. If you got an EFI engine for your sensors, if not, there's a bolt to take the place of it. Beautiful set, headers, header gaskets, header bolts, and collectors all in one kit, available here at the Bronco Graveyard. And for our February Web Truck of the Month, we have Rick Kuman's full-size 78 Bronco, really nice truck. Thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month.
78. Got a 6-inch lift on it. I don't know about the motor, if it's been gone through or anything, but it's a 351M. In my younger days, I did a lot of building and stuff, so this time I wanted something just already done, and I'm past that, you know. Like that top comes off, you can have air in the back. That's nice. I had an 88 Bronco 2 before, and it got so hot in the back for the kids, and thought I'm gonna get something bigger, a 78 Bronco, 79, you know. Back at home, we run it around town all the time, but to go longer distances, we put it on a trailer. It's just my toy.